Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dina Syahira binti Masrum. So I will present about section A. Based on class diagram section A, test class salary, inherit class salary. Then class salary will implement interface over time. So based on statement requirement, I will create interface over time. So in the interface over time, I create a method calculate OT based on class diagram. So then I create class salary will implement interface over time. In class salary, I declare the 4 private input by user, which are private string name, private string IC, private string department, private double basic salary. So after that, I create constructor class salary, which is default constructor and parameterized constructor. In parameterized constructor, I use this keyword to call a instant variable that I declare as a private. So then I create getter method for each of 4 instance variable that I declare. So ni get name, get IC, get department. Next, in the method calculate OT, I will return the overtime payment, the overtime payment value. The overtime payment only given to staff, no head of department. So OT per hour is RM3.50 only. So I will pass to Kasdina.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatinul Kasdamita Rashid. My metric number is 17D DT21F1022. Next, based on the class diagram section A, which is test class salary, extend class salary. Then I create variable name, which is name, IC number, and department to input from user using buffer reader. Then I use selection statement if else if to make a choice whether calculation for head of department or regular staff. Next, for the exception handling, I use number format exception whether then the user enter the position which is character, the output will display exception. For the output is the position part, the user enter child will display exception. If user input number 1, next, if user input number 1, user must enter the basic salary. Then, no overtime payment for head department, so the input from user will be displayed. For the name, I use method string to uppercase. If user input number 2, user must enter the basic salary and overtime hour, so display the total salary. Next, for the section B is based on the class diagram section B, same with section A, which is test class salary, extend class salary, then class salary implement interface over time. For the section B, the class diagram just plus for class salary implement interface bonus. So I create another interface, which is interface bonus, which is contain two method of cal bonus, as in class diagram section B. Next, for the class salary, I implement the interface bonus and interface over time. Next, I will pass to Yusra Zika.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Yusra Zika with my Yunus and my metric number is F1008. Today, I will like to continue the presentation. Next, I create class bonus subclass for class salary. Then I got two method, calculate bonus from class salary using super keyword. Then in the test class salary, I use selection if else if to calculate overtime payment or bonus. Okay. If user enter number 1, user may choose the position between head of department or regular staff. If user calculate bonus for head of department, user need to enter basic salary and percentage, also the allowance. Okay. Next, if bonus for staff, user must input basic salary and percentage. Finally, I create object to call method in class salary. Last, the output for head of department. Next, user need to enter bonus percentage, refer to the diagram. Next, enter the allowance. Then user can get the output, basic salary, allowance, and salary. Next, the output bonus for regular staff. So this is the output salary for rest of